I am Erica May Alibañez from ESN 1B. So today I am going to do the procedure of assessing the head, eyes, ears, nose, neck, and throat. So before the procedure, I am going to introduce myself to the client and explain to them what is the procedure that I am going to do. So before that, we will perform a hand hygiene and close the doors to provide a client privacy. Good day, ma'am. I am Nurse Erica from University of St. Anthony. So today, I am going to assess your head, eyes, ears, nose, neck, and also your throat to inspect, palpate, and also auscultate if there is any abnormalities in your upper area. So before we are going to the procedure, I will verify your identity first. So, ma'am, may I know your name?
I'm Princess Sheikha.
Okay, so can you state your age and also your date of birth?
So I'm 19
Okay, thank you. So, let's go now in procedure. So, first is I am going to assess the head of the patient if there is any presence of edema. So now I will palpate the head of my patient. So based on my observation, so my patient there is no presence of edema. Um, Wala naman akong napalpate na bukol or abnormalities of the head of my patient. So next is the eyes. So I will assess the eyes of my patient. So next is I will going to assess my patient eyes. So ma'am, can you look up and side, side. Okay. So ma'am, sundan niyo po yung finger ko using your eye. So ma'am, may ipapabasa po ako sa iyo. Can you cover your left eye po? Left eye. Then read the letters.
E F P P O Z L P E B
And next po sa right side, paki-cover.
P E C F D E D F C Z F.
Okay. So, next is assessing the ears of the patient. So, by assessing the ears of the patient is I am going to use a pen light and check if there is any presence of edema, pamamaga, or liquid, yung nana, yung waxy patient, if lumalabas na ba or kailangan na may bukol o kailangan i-check siya if may abnormalities sa ears ni patient. So, okay. So, next is the other side. Okay. Assess the nose of my patient. So, ma'am, hinga ka po. Inhale, exhale. Okay. So, sa pag-inhale mo po, i-close mo po yung sa other side. Sa other side po. So, do you feel any pain? So, naisip ko. So, yung nose bridge ni patient ay straight naman. There's no abnormalities and also a presence of edema. And wala naman siyang bukol. Nakakahinga ka po ba ng maayos? Okay. So next, I will going to assess my patient neck, throat. So if there is any presence of a edema. So ma'am, can you lean your head to your other side? So today, I will going to inspect and also can you lean your... So ma'am, can you lean your head to the other side. So today I will palpate and inspect the neck of the patient. The other side, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you move your head rotation like this? Do you feel any pain? None. Okay. So, next is I will assess the throat of my patient. So, inspect and palpate also if there is any presence of edema or may buccal ba si patient. So, ma'am, lumunok ka po. Isa pa. Do you feel any pain po sa paglunok mo? Ma'am, I will check your mouth po. So, can you say then I will check po yung sa loob, yung tonsil mo po. Can you, dila? Okay. So, based on my observation po, ma'am, wala naman po akong nakikitang bukol or any kind of abnormalities inside your mouth. So, next is I will document all the findings that I observed to my patient. And thank you for watching.